Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a cast aluminum barbecue grill. This up here is cast aluminum. The bottom part here is also cast aluminum. I'm going to show you what's behind these knobs and also how to strip this regulator. Now that's all brass, piece of copper there. Where the regulator is, this is aluminum, cast aluminum, and some brass. These connections here have a piece of steel, and I'll show you how to get that steel out. There's a little pin there. We want to remove that pin. Now that bottom piece, we're just going to slip it right out, and you'll have all brass. And that's all brass. This is just a wrench I use. When I buy a weed whacker or a leaf blower, it comes with this type of wrench. Or you can use a socket. Now just get the metal out and put that in your steel pile. Now let's weigh everything. 4 ounces for aluminum, 9 ounces for brass, 0.5 ounces for copper, 15 pounds for cast aluminum, and 20 pounds for steel. Alright guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then guys, peace!